replaced by heavy for into the wild land, who became Gilgamesh, Diamond, and Goblin Brother, lies built inside
My friends, my brothers, Enkidu, why have you left me? Your strength is gone, and your voice is silent. Who will stand beside me now? Bring me the craftsman.
What do you want me to do?
Make a statue of Enkidu, and prepare precious ornaments of gold and lapis lazuli. Let all remember his greatness.
It shall be done, my king. I will make a memorial worthy of your beloved friend.
And out toward the city gate, Marines Arizona Church Love.
People of Oro, mourn with me for Enkidu, my companion and brother. My companion and brother. May all the rivers, the mountains, and all living things grieve for him. Farewell, Enkidu. Though you are gone, your spirit will still remain in my heart forever.